Hello, it's Jack's Valeting and Detailing Services. Today we are doing a full valet on this Hyundai that, as you can tell, this vehicle's picked up a fair amount of dirt and it obviously needs my services. Also, thank you for the support on my other video. I've also got another channel all about cars if you want to check that out, but thank you for the support. I did not expect it to do that well, and I've had so many lovely comments and giving me tips and advice and stuff, so thank you for all that. So we're going to start off with the interior of the car, and I'm going to start off by giving a little hoover just so I can get all of that nasty loose stuff out before I start with the cleaning process of the carpets. Then we're going to grab some upholstery cleaner and spray it on the upholstery. I've also done this on the other carpet, but the video didn't turn out very well. But yeah, I don't have any tripods at the moment, so yeah, we're just going to spray that, get my drill thing on there and then wipe it down. We're just sort of doing a normal clean of the interior, which is included in my full valet, but I will probably include a more sort of deeper clean maybe in the future, like as a separate sort of package that includes an extractor and a bit of steam cleaning. I just have to yet to get a steam cleaner at the moment. Hopefully that might be on the horizon soon. I'm also looking to incorporate some machine polishing as well eventually. Just got to get my gazebo sorted out, and I think I'd be alright to do that. So right here I'm just going in with my hoover on the dash and on the center console with my little brush and hoover. So I'm now using Auto Finesse's interior cleaner. This product is new to me, but it's got really good reviews, and I know Auto Finesse are quite a good detailing company, and I haven't had any complaints with it so far or any issues. Dry the steering wheel with a microfiber towel. I'm using this Turtle Wax Luxe Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. It's simple, basically just apply it with a applicator or a microfiber, let it cure for a little bit and basically buff it off. And this, you can use this on leather. The steering wheel is leather, so yeah, and it gives it a nice sort of shine, and it makes it look really good. So now we're going to start cleaning the interior trim of the car. So we're using Auto Finesse right there, interior cleaner that we were using before. Now we're going to be using a brush. You can use a brush or an agitating microfiber. Yeah, now I'm using an agitating microfiber. Then use one to dry off after, and that's how you clean interior trims. After that, I agitate the headliner stains with my brush, and I'll go over it with a microfiber. In this case, it was too stained for me to clean it, but I think it reduced it, so yeah. So this is the final product. I vacuumed it after, gave it one final big vacuum, and this is what we ended up with, looking nice and clean indeed. So now we're kicking off the exterior by pre-rinsing the wheels just with a bit of water before we go and agitate them with the wheel brushes. Here I'm applying some Turtle Wax Wheel Cleaner, which is an all-in-one fallout remover and wheel cleaner. And also it's been requested to me that I use Bilt Hamber Surfex HD, and I'm using this on the arches, as you can see right here. And I'm using this kitchen brush I got from BMM. It works really well for arches, I find, and it's actually quite a cheap alternative to actual detailing ones, which does the same sort of job. Now I'm going in with my wheel brush from Easy. And I'm using the detailing brush for the wheels. I did not have my wheel wash mitt with me today, unfortunately, but you can still achieve the same with a detailing brush. It just takes a bit longer. Now I'm using the Bilt Hamber Surfex HD on the tyres. Definitely cleans up the tyres very nice. And I'm using a tyre brush from Auto Finesse as well. So I'm sort of trying out some Auto Finesse products. And now I'm using Auto Finesse Wet Look tyre dressing. I'm sort of new to tyre dressing, so if I'm applying this wrong, please slate me in the comment section below. But yeah, I'm just applying it with my brush and then going over it with my dirty microfiber. And now I'm using Surfex HD as a pre-wash as well, and it seems to be really well actually. I think it was actually working a lot better than the other pre-wash stuff I had, so I'll definitely be using this more in the future. Now for the most satisfying bit, my favourite part, snow foaming it. Snow foaming it is the most essential part, or at least one of the most essential parts to cleaning a car. And it helps keep a lot of that dirt off before you even touch it with the microfiber, so it makes you so you avoid scratches and marring the paints. So sorry if I didn't show me rinsing off the snow foam because I was just rushing about because I really wanted to get this done in time. But yeah, we're now going on to the contact wash using a 2-bucket wash method, using a microfiber wash mitt. Sorry if the camera keeps on changing colour, I don't know, or changing, it's not actually that dark, but it just keeps on changing. After I did the 2-bucket wash method, I then rinsed it off, and then we'll play a before and after of the results.